Okay, so bago tayo mag-unboxing, mag-sprayan muna natin. So, okay. Unboxing time. Let's do it. This is Obsuna. Obsession. Hi, welcome to yet another episode of Obsuna Obsession Vlog. And today there would be another unboxing kind of vlog which I'm going to share with you all. And this has something to do again with my online purchase. Yes, I have been into online shopping nowadays. Well, because of pandemic. And I do remember the last time that I had this kind of vlog where I shared with you my purchase of the wooden tea, the alokosai tea. I do remember that I have some of my friends who right then and then did the same, right? And as a matter of fact, there is this one of my friend who I really wanted to mention. Hi, Tete. She is in Canada. She did the same. She did online. She did purchase online, and yeah, Canada based. So I feel that I have a somewhat micro influence to those who are finding my vlog interesting. Alright, so today's Saturday, and I just wanted to make a short story that last Thursday night I was really browsing over Facebook. Then I bumped into this site called Mart. So I'm just going to show you now. So as I browsed their Facebook page, I found that I think this is really cool. I saw some of their items again. I saw that some of their items are according to the way that I used to live here in Dubai. Those people like me who really loves this Asian food, and at the same time those easy way, ready-made. You just have to put it in a fryer. You just have to put it in a pan. Then those kind of easy way cooking. This is really fits my lifestyle here in Dubai. So what I did without double thinking, I right away went to their website. So after skimming all over their website, so I ordered some of their item which I'm going to share with you right now. So first, I just wanted to share with you the delivery, and here it goes. How much? So that was the delivery. So as you can see, the same shirt that I was wearing because I'm at home. So now I'm gonna be doing the unboxing. All right. So I have two boxes here. So I think first we have to. Oh, this is their invoice. Oh, that's kind of cool. Wait. Is there any details here that is not shareable? Not much. Okay. So according to their. Okay, I don't know if you're able to see it. Okay, but I bought 2 packs of chicken shawmai. Those are frozen. Uh, 2 packs also of chicken barbecue marinated. Those are my favorites. And I also bought 3 cans of Del Monte pineapple juice because it's really on sale. It's only about 2 dirham each. I also bought 1 chicken charcoal marinated and 2 buchi lotus. If you are Asian, you must be, and if you love eating Asian food, you must be knowing what is this buchi. Okay, buchi. It's a kind of dessert. Okay, so yeah, from the box itself, it is really cold. Yeah, it's because it's frozen good. So let's check it out. Okay, there you have it. First, I would like to share with you the pineapple. Oh, Valentine's. Okay, so I got 3 pineapple, 2. It's really cold. I love it. Not cold, but chilled. Wow. Okay, I got 3. And wow. So this chicken shawmai. So this is the chicken shawmai. Okay. So how many grams? It is 25 pieces. Okay, 25 pieces. And as far as I remember that the price is only for 15 dirham. Imagine 15 dirham each. Yeah? Yeah, 15 dirham. 15 dirham this one. 15 dirham for 25 pieces. Really like it. Oh, I bought 2. And the other box. This is the buchi looks like. Oh. Everything is in the black packet. So this is the buchi. Okay. It is 12 pieces. Oh, let me just look at the price. Oh, this is 12 pieces. And you know how much is this? 7 dirham. 7 dirham. This is 7 dirham. So again, I also bought 2. I wish I could share it with you. Let's open it. This is how buchi works. Chinnen. It's frozen. This one. So, how to cook this? Fry or steam? Yeah, we'll try both. That would be on the second part of the vlog. So, I also bought 2 of this. Next, everything is the same packaging. This is chicken. Here, chicken charbroiled marinated. Yeah. This one costs 12 dirham. Wow, 12 dirham. Let me check the quantity. How much this is? Oh, this is 500 grams. Okay, not bad. Really not bad. It is marinated inside. I just wanted to show you. Oh. And barbecue chicken. Yes, so yeah, it's 500. It weighs 500 grams. I'm having difficult time. And this is the best part. I also bought chicken barbecue marinated. I bought 2 actually of this. Feeling cold. I should have worn gloves. Okay, for this, I got it for... I got it for 11 dirham. Imagine 11 dirham, and it is also 500 milligram. No, 500 grams each. Let's try to open. So I was trying to open everything. Yeah. In their website, this barbecue has already. So this is how it looks like. It's really frozen. Oh, it's barbecued. So it comes in chicken meat cubes. Yeah, it's already cut into cubes. And I really smell the barbecue. Yes. Yeah, so I got it. So it's not on stick or on a skewer. Anyway, so these are my purchase. All right, so these are my purchase from Mart. This is not a paid blog. I just wanted to share with you because as I speak, they are offering 50% discount. So that's why I grab it. So if you happen to notice, I all bought 2 packs because not only this is my favorite, but because it is very, how will I say it? A very saving kind of purchase. Imagine for 1 packet of 500 grams of chicken meat marinated already, it will cost you only 11 dirham. thing. This is the exact how can I say it? Frozen good that Chowking is using. Okay. Yes, correct. So I there is a label there before I purchase it that this is from Chowking. We know Chowking, they offer the best of the best Asian food, Asian Filipino food. So yeah, this is made from Chowking. You can check it from their website, Mart, from Facebook page. Yeah, it will be everywhere. Well, purpose would be for my lifestyle, especially every day I used to go to work. Whenever I am in a hurry, I just have to, put it on my air fryer or maybe on my hot pan, then just for 5 minutes or so I'll be able to make my favorite food. Yeah, I think this is the best. If you guys are also looking for a cheap, reasonable, and at the same time something that really craves you in terms of Asian food, you can go check it out, Mart. In terms of their delivery, as soon as I click the add to cart and confirm my order, there are options there whether you wanted to go cash on delivery or you wanted to go credit it on from your debit account. So I did the cash on delivery and there is no hidden charge. Okay, I just give extra tip to the delivery guy. So yeah, that's it. You can also do COD. You can also do debit card purchase and all. It is whatever is convenient to you, and you can do it. And also, finally, their promised delivery is 27, and that will be today. So what had happened? I have been waiting for any delivery guy, with the mark on the motorcycle the whole day because I was down outside, trying to do some exercise. Then as I went up, I received a missed call. So I automatically thought that this must be the driver. So I called them back and they said that this is the mark. Is this is this a good time to go now? And once I confirmed yes, he told me that I'll be there in 30 minutes maximum. And yeah, all their promised time from date and time, they are able to meet it. This is deliverable all over Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So you just have to go check out their Mark Facebook page and website and have something nice for the next coming week. So this has been, if you guys have any questions, if you have any concern, just put comment down below, and yeah, that will be it. Thank you, and this has been Obsuna. Bye.